Hello everyone, today I will show you 6 iPhone settings you need to turn off right now. And here's how it is done. 1. Significant locations. Why? Track your frequent request locations. Why? Tracks your frequent locations. How? Settings, privacy and security, location services, system services, significant locations, turn off. 2. Analytics and improvements. Why? Sends data to Apple. Drains battery. How? Settings, privacy and security, analytics and improvements, turn all off. 3. Background app refresh. Why? Wastes battery and data. How? Settings, general, background app refresh, off or Wi-Fi only. 4. Auto playing videos in App Store. Why? Slows performance, uses data. How? Settings, App Store, video autoplay off. 5. Location for system services you don't need. Why? Many are unnecessary. How? Settings, privacy and security, location services, system services. Disable unneeded items like iPhone analytics, routing and traffic, etc. 6. Push mail. Switch to fetch. Why? Constantly checking mail drains battery. How? Settings, mail, accounts, fetch new data. Turn off push and choose fetch manually or less frequently. And that is everything you need to know about 6 iPhone settings you need to turn off right now. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.